My name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am going to start our English speaking part 159, and today I am going to discuss about those sentences which we normally speak at office to complete our work. So friends, these sentences play a very important role when we go out at any office to get our work finished in a regular span of time or at a particular span of time. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 159. Let's start our English speaking part 159. Today we are going to discuss about those sentences which we normally speak at office, means daftar or office related sentences. So friends, let's start it. वह पीएनबी का चेक है. पीएनबी मीन्स पंजाब नेशनल बैंक. दिस इज ए पंजाब नेशनल बैंक चेक. So friends, we have normally seen when we go to any bank and we normally ask for the check deposit etc. So we normally say this is a PNB चेक, मीन्स दिस इज ए पंजाब नेशनल बैंक चेक और यह PNB का चेक है. सो इट इज़ ए ऑफिस रिलेटेड सेंटेंस. यह क्लर्क अफसरों के मुंह लगा हुआ है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस क्लर्क इज अ फेवरेट ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हेन वी नॉर्मली गेट टुगेदर with each other, we normally say that this person or this clerk is very favorite of the officers. He always promote him. He never looks at his weak points. He just promotes him, praises him in every way. So यह क्लर्क अफसरों के मुंह लगा हुआ है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स दिस क्लर्क इज अ फेवरेट ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स. दिस इज सेंटेंस विच ऑफिसर्स, नॉर्मल पीपल इन द ऑफिस, दे डिस्कस विद ईच अदर, praising someone other person. So they normally discuss about that, feeling angry or annoyed or very dissatisfied etc. तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स फॉर हाउ मेनी डेज वुड यू हैव टू टेक लीव. So friends, this sentence is basically an interrogative type sentence. We normally, when we are in the office, if we are in need of any leaves etc., so we normally plan before that, for how many days we have to take leave prior to the of taking leave. So we normally stay in the office or discuss with our friends etc. तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी. So in English it means for how many days would you have to take leave. Means we normally discuss or take permission from our seniors like managers etc. that he normally asks with us that for how many days would you have to take leave, otherwise the work will get postponed and I have to divide the work amongst other people also. So please tell your leaves planning prior to that. So तुम्हें कितने दिनों की छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी. So in English it means for how many days would you have to take leave. आजकल काम का जोर है. So in English it means work pressure is very heavy these days. So friends, we have normally seen in office etc. when there are a lot of client requirements etc. of festive time etc. their demand, work pressure increases, and then office people, they normally demand more workers to complete that task in a given frame of time. So आजकल काम का जोर है. So in English it means work pressure is very heavy these days. So work pressure may depend upon the condition around the festive time or the requirement of client or about the business requirement that in how many days we have to complete the task. So आजकल काम का जोर है means work pressure is very heavy these days. मुझे टेलीफोन पर बात करनी है. So in English it means I want to make a call. So friends, normally this is a request type sentence because in this sentence the person is basically requesting to another person that I want to make a call, मुझे कॉल करनी है. So this request can be done at office also because telephones are also available in the office, at homes, at any public place, at telephone booth etc. So मुझे टेलीफोन पर बात करनी है. So in English it means I want to make a call. साहब हैं is the boss in. So friends, normally when we go out in the office to meet any big person, so we normally ask the gatekeeper or the peon, क्या साहब अंदर हैं, means is the boss in. So normally we visit our nearby offices of government offices or private sector offices. So the peon is outside the office at the gate. So we normally try to ask him, क्या साहब हैं means is the boss in. So he tells us that whether he is in the office or not. So we normally request him. So he tells us everything about the person whom we are going to meet. साहब हैं means is the boss in. So it is a present interrogative type sentence. यहाँ साइन कीजिए. So in English it means please sign here. So friends, signing on checks or any documents is mandatory or it is compulsory when we go out any government office or any private office. So the person of that office, authorized person, he after fulfilling our requirements or documents etc., we normally makes a sign to all the documents whom the person whose documents are required. So he normally asks us to sign that document. So यहाँ sign कीजिए means please sign here. So signing of documents are normally done at office, or he can visit us at home with documents to sign on that particular place. So यहाँ sign कीजिए means please sign here. Cigarette पीना मना है means no smoking. So friends, in this sentence, this is basically a mandatory request type sentence that please don't smoke, or this place is not for smoking. So cigarette पीना मना है, in English it means no smoking. So friends, we have normally seen at offices, at private offices, government offices, at our public places where big signboards are fitted there, and they normally mention on that, please cigarette पीना मना है means no smoking. So it's our duty that we should follow that guideline of that rule. Cigarette पीना मना है means no smoking. So friends, this was the English speaking part 159, in which I tried to explain you about daftar or office related sentences which we need to speak when we visit to any office, any government office, any private office, or any nearby local surroundings where our work is pending, or we want another person to finish that work in a quick span of time. So these sentences play a very important role. Please try to practice them in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror, or try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And what you will see that with the passage of time, your confidence will boost up, your English will improve, and you will find it very easier to interact with another person in English, especially at government offices with big officers, etc. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel. I will bring more English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you, and which could brush you up in speaking fluent English language. So friends, thanks for the valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.